How to sign in to Pay-to-Win account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to sign in to Pay-to-Win account. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, let us understand what Pay-to-Win is. Pay-to-Win is the best place for creators to build community with their biggest fans, share exclusive work, and turn their passion into lasting creative business. Now make sure that you have the Pay-to-Win application on your device. If not, you can easily download the Pay-to-Win application from your App Store or your Play Store by simply searching for Pay-to-Win there and downloading the app further. Now, go ahead and open the Pay-to-Win application on your device. You will be directly led to the login portal of Pay-to-Win. And now to sign in, you can sign in by entering your email address, or you can sign in using your Google account, your Apple account, or your Facebook account. So if you want to sign in using any of these options, then tap on the option that suits you the best and follow the on-screen prompts to sign in further to Pay-to-Win. And if you want to sign in using your email address, then enter a valid email address in the text box you see there and tap on continue. You will then be asked to enter your name, as your name is how you will appear publicly to other people on Pay-to-Win. Tap on continue after entering your name. With this, you will be signed in to Pay-to-Win. And now, if you want to make changes in your profile, then tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the three dots you see there. You will then see the option for edit profile. Tap on that. You can now add bio to your profile from this interface right here, and you can also change your profile picture from here itself. Once you are done making the changes, tap on the save button on the top right of your screen, and with this your changes will be saved. So this is how you can sign in to Pay-to-Win account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.